Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some family signs. BSL keyword sign, mummy. Let's try mummy. One more. Mummy. BSL keyword sign, daddy. Let's try daddy. One more, daddy. BSL keyword sign, brother. Let's try brother. One more, brother. BSL keyword sign, sister. Let's try sister. One more, sister. BSL keyword sign, baby. Let's try baby. One more, baby. Nice BSL signing. Keyword sign, grandma. Let's try grandma. One more, grandma. BSL keyword sign, granddad. Let's try granddad. One more, granddad. Keep signing. BSL keyword sign, aunt. Let's try aunt. One more, aunt, auntie. BSL keyword sign, uncle. Let's try uncle. One more, uncle. BSL keyword sign, family. Let's try family. One more, family. Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together. Mummy. One more, mummy. Daddy. One more, daddy. Brother. One more, brother. Sister. One more, sister. Baby. One more, baby. Grandma. One more, grandma. You're doing great. Granddad. One more, granddad. Aunt. One more, aunt, auntie. Uncle. One more, uncle. Family. One more, family. Shall we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady. Mummy. Daddy. Brother. Sister. Baby. Grandma. Granddad. Aunt. Uncle. Family. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.